Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sean Doyle with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. I want to do a quick video walkthrough of our recently traded in 2012 Sea Ray 470 Sundancer. It's got the QSB 480 Cummins Zeus. Actually comes with prop speed on both props. Take a look inside. Has the electric grill, cockpit TV, refrigeration. Actually has full helm AC. So everything up here keeps you and your family nice and cool. Also comes along with the isinglass enclosure. We got plenty of seating for you and the family. Step on board. One of the key features the Sea Ray 47 Sundancer tried to keep for you and your family is tons of seating, plenty of shade, and a lot of entertaining. So you can see you got really nice seating here in the cockpit, still staying nice and cool with the helm AC. You got right up here on your port side, really nice lounge area to be relaxing while cruising over the Bahamas. Taking a look at the helm, the boat comes equipped with all the remaining electronics. You have VHF, Sony stereo and speakers, and also, probably most importantly, for ease of docking, you have the Zeus joystick. So very easy to dock in and out of the marinas for you and your family. One of my favorite options on the 47 Sea Ray is how open and airy the boat is. You actually have port and side, electric windows to give you a really nice breeze while you're cruising. You have two skylights above as well, almost acting as a sunroof. So as far as a breeze, airy, I mean, this boat is super comfortable while you're cruising with the family. You got plenty of visibility, and you have 360 view all the way around. So easy docking, really fun, comfortable for you and the family. Alrighty, well, we're down in the cabin in the Sea Ray 47. Just want to do a quick little video down below. It's got a ton of seating, a lot of storage, beautiful Sea Ray high gloss cherry wood all throughout, plenty of countertop and storage, for entertaining and doing your cooking on the overnighting. You also have refrigeration, freezer, cooktops, everything you'll need for your weekend trips. Here at the bow, you have your master. As you walk forward, you'll notice you have also a separate head and shower. Really nice for when you're taking a couple trips down to the Keys or the Bahamas. You have a ton of natural lighting, a lot of storage, hanging lockers, everything you'll need. Alrighty, so the Sea Ray 47 does have a two-stateroom layout. Right now, we're in the guest stateroom, looking right at the beautiful vanity. Alrighty, not only does it have the vanity, but you have a really comfortable, tons of headroom, wet head, and shower. Alrighty, for the guest stateroom, you do have a twin bed layout that does convert into a full-size bed. Very comfortable. Alrighty, guys, if you want some more information on the 2012 Sea Ray 470 Sundancer, feel free to either stop by or ask for Sean Doyle here at MarineMax in Pompano. We look forward to seeing you guys.